Hi guys, it is not morning anymore, but I'm getting kind of a late start to, what's wrong? I'm getting a late, anyways, I'm getting a late start to today's video. Today's President's Day, so Eric's home, as I'm sure you guys can tell. Eric's home today, and it's Monday, and he's not usually home. It's been like a really long time, I feel like, since Eric's actually been home. So we're actually going to his brother's house right now, because his brother has bunnies, and his bunnies had babies. So we're going to see the babies, and then we have to go food shopping, and I realized that I needed gas. But anyways, went to Orange Theory this morning. I did Catch Me If You Can, and my stupid treadmill time wasn't working, so I feel like I could have done better if that was working, but that's okay. It was the first time I've ever done that challenge, and I also got my nails done for my birthday, which is in exactly 1 week. So that's exciting. Isla took a really long nap too, so we probably would have been out earlier if she didn't take such a long nap. I was not expecting her to sleep that long. How long did she sleep, do you think?
Oh, like 3 hours.
I think she slept for like 2 hours.
When did you get home from the gym?
11.
Okay.
And then I showered. She probably went down at 11:30, and it's 2:13, so.
I was stairs. That guy just passed someone double yellow. Don't see that every day.
I feel like I'm doing a really bad job because I A, don't have a video for tomorrow, and B, it's 4:10 and I barely picked up the camera today. So, but we just left Eric's brother's, and I'm also a bad vlogger because we just saw 4 cats and 2 little kittens, and I did not pick up the camera up. I was just so happy to see kittens.
Yes.
And they were orange cats, and we want an orange cat next, I think. I really want another cat, but I don't know how Poppy would do with another cat. And on TikTok I always see these shelters with senior cats, which makes me want to get a senior cat and give the cat a good home for the, remainder of its life. But I don't know how Poppy would do with an older cat, because Poppy's only 1.5 years, so she's still like a baby. So I don't know how she would do, because she's not a very nice cat. If we're being honest, she's not very nice. She did adjust to Isla, but I don't know how she would adjust to another one of her kind. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I really want another cat, and I think we'll eventually get another cat. But I think it would have to be a kitten, because then Poppy will be like, oh, I have to take care of this cat. But I don't really know. Maybe I should do some more research on that. If you guys know anything about cats and adjusting, tell me in the comments.
New York to OA.
But we're on our way to, I'm going to run into Ulta fast because I'm out of concealer, and the concealer I've been using is about 3 years old, so that might be the reason why my skin has been so awful. And we have to go food shopping, and I want to make a huge feast tonight, but it's already 4:15, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, my hair place used to be in here.
In 2.8 miles.
Okay, we just finished at Walmart and Ulta, and I'm in the passenger side, so I'm usually what?
I was waiting for the guy.
So my camera is not at the angle that I'm usually at, but I'll show you guys what we got from Walmart for groceries and what I got at Ulta when we got home. But this is my favorite candy bar. If you guys ever see it, you should get it. It's literally a peanut butter cup, but it's like a Hershey's bar, and there's just peanut butter in it. It's better than a usual peanut butter cup, so I recommend. Eric got a cinnamon Snickers in Walmart.
Yeah, I like Snickers and I like cinnamon, so I thought it would be terrible, to be completely straightforward with you, but I was like, I might as well give it a try for 89 cents. You couldn't even tell there was a hint of cinnamon.
Was it just a regular Snickers?
It said Snickers cinnamon bun, and I was excited because you never know, maybe it's good.
But it just tasted like a regular Snickers.
Not even, it tasted like a regular Snickers if the regular Snickers was like 3 years old and they didn't put anything good into it.
Ew. Alabine was so good today.
Heck yeah, brother.
We just got home. And we're gonna show you what we got from Walmart. Eric's taking it out of the bag first because he wants to get his lunch in for tomorrow. This is what he's putting in the crock pot. What is it? Just vegetables
pork roast with vegetables, boneless pork roast. Ready for slow cooker oven or electric pressure cooker.
Okay. So Eric got that. We got a bag of onions.
Yeah, fresh basil and oregano.
We need that for dinner tonight. I'm making penne vodka and Eric's making chicken cutlet. So we got a big thing of chicken. Walmart had 4 things of chicken left. So we usually
it's disgusting.
We usually don't do our grocery shopping at Walmart. I'm just gonna put it out there. I was watching Coco Melon.
We got clementines and apples.
Bananas.
Bananas. That was it for that bag.
And then in this bag, look at this cute bag I got on clearance at Old Navy. It has a cute like gold zipper too. Anyways, in this bag, we got, they had no pasta either, guys. They had 2 boxes of rigatoni. No penne, no spaghetti, they had elbows. But I got rigatoni for dinner tonight. Almond milk. Eric got egg noodles. Are you gonna eat this with that?
Yep.
So you're gonna put them in there. I got mozzarella. And then I wanted Parmesan, but they didn't have it. Why am I like red? So I got this Italian mix that has mozzarella, provolone, Parmesan, Romano, Fontina, and Asiago. So hopefully that's okay. We got garlic breadsticks on like a whim. And then we got heavy cream for tonight. These Cento San Maranzo tomatoes for the recipe I'm using tonight. And then I just got a jar of regular sauce. And that's everything we got at Walmart. So we're gonna put this stuff away now.
If I were to stay till you're okay, I know by now.
I also got a big box of Little Bites, and Eric decided that he likes Red Bull now. So we got a big thing of Red Bull. Did you hear that? It sounded like she just said Red Bull. Isla and I are gonna show you guys what I got from Ulta. Let's take a thumbnail, baby. And I also got an Amazon package, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Isla's gonna pop up and say hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Oh, this is my tongue. And my teeth. Hi, guys. All right, Mommy's gonna put it up here. I'm moving you guys up more, so that's better. Okay. So from Ulta, oh, you want your pincher box? Here, look. Oh yes. From Ulta, I got the Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid setting spray for free because I repurchased my actually I haven't tried this. I just thought I really hate the one I got from e.l.f. So I'm gonna try the Pretty Fresh pressed face powder from ColourPop, and then I bought the Pretty Fresh concealer. So I'll let you guys know if I like those. But since I bought that, I got that for free. And then I bought the soap styler from Makeup Revolution. I'm really excited for this. I've never tried that either. And then I got my mascara. I decided to go back with the Lash Princess. Oh, did I get waterproof? No. So I get this one, the blue one. And then for my birthday, I got a Lash Smoothie Volumizing Mascara from Tarte. That was my birthday present from Ulta. I have to go get my Sephora one still. And then I just repurchased my Tropic Glow Firming Moisturizer from Tree Hut. Everyone says this is a dupe for Bum Bum cream, and I have to beg to differ. I don't think it's similar, but whatever. And then from from Amazon, I got from Amazon. I got this Anchor. Wait, is this what I ordered? It's like a loopy thing for the back of your phone. So not a pop socket, but not a loopy case. Let me see if I can get it open. What?
I have one of those on mine. Like the hook thing.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I ordered. It's silly?
Yeah.
Well, I kind of thought this would be better for me. So like with carrying her around. And I also didn't want it to like be on my phone all the time. Where is my phone? I never know where my phone is. Oh, there it is. I have a Casetify case that says mom. But I thought this would be good for like carrying Ilex. I could just loop it on my finger. And I also didn't want like something that like this I can move from phone case to phone case with pop, because it goes with like it's mag safe. So I hope it works. Oh, okay. Oh, and it twists. Oh, I don't. It doesn't work with my case. Alright, so that was a fail, unfortunately. So we're making dinner now, and I'll link the recipe that I use down below. But I wanted to tell you, I'm using the Cooking Classy recipe, and we have chicken cutlets in the air fryer. But so far I've done almost everything, and now I'm just letting the tomatoes sit and simmer for 15 minutes. But I'll show you. I'm not gonna tell you because I'll just link the recipe below, but this is what it looks like as of right now. Isla keeps climbing up onto the couch using that thing and sitting in Poppy's bed. Beans, do you think you're a cat? Yes. Did you see that? She said yes. Isla's playing with her electric toothbrush to make her happy, so that sound is that. But anyways, if I do say so myself, that looks pretty good for a first time sauce. Eric is going to be very critical.
It's not true. It's not true.
It's true. I ended up just putting Isla to sleep, so she won't get to taste this, but guys, this looks pretty dang good. I'm going to have Eric hold the camera while I mix in the pasta. Here is my finished product. I'm so excited to taste it. Live taste test. That's pretty good. It's got a kick. I taste the vodka.
You cook it off.
Yeah. For 15 minutes.
I'm buzzed.
You don't like it?
Oh, bro, what are you talking?
Let's try Eric's chicken.
It's raw.
I have a thing with chicken. That's why he said that. I like.
That is well cooked.
I like my chicken like dead because I'm afraid like if it's chewy or like I like dry chicken. Like if we want to be honest.
Same with your eggs.
With my eggs, yeah. But okay, we're gonna eat because Bachelor's on soon, and we're gonna have a nice date. Since Isla's asleep, and we never do this. Eric and I are finishing dinner now, and then we're gonna watch The Bachelor and fold laundry. So I'm gonna end this here because I actually really need to edit this video and get it up so it is up on time for you guys tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
I me too.
I didn't show you guys Poppy at all today. Here she is. Say bye. She's in the laundry room.